Ready to grow your business and sell worldwide with 360,000 plus merchants? Go to Shoplazza.com to build, manage, and scale your online business with the all-in-one e-commerce platform. With only a few clicks, you can create and customize a unique online store. Localize your store's language, currency, and set tax rates for your products. Utilize AI-powered recommendation to increase the money spent by each customer. Select the best payment solution to offer a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Track the fulfillment from purchase to delivery and manage your order. View your daily sales with our performance dashboard. Expand your business with multi-dimensional report to make you stand out in the market. Optimize your ads to drive traffic, sync your products automatically, and monetize your social media. Start your campaign with email marketing, coupons, and a loyalty program to boost your revenue up to 50%. Now, start your free trial with Shoplazza today.